doing?
I'm looking at face mask videos how we can make one.
That looks so smooth after they.
I know. You want to try to make one?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Did they use baby lotion because we only could use that?
No, they actually like put stuff on. We can go like. I think we have the ingredients though. It's not baby lotion because if we put baby lotion on our face, it's gonna break. It's gonna give us pimples, and we don't want pimples. So I'm gonna go get all the ingredients that we need from downstairs so we can make it. So you wanna come help me get it?
Yeah, I'll go get the ingredients and you go get the stuff we need for the final step.
Okay. Okay, I have our bowl. I have our spoon, and I have our little thing to put it in.
What ingredients was it?
Okay, there's actually 2 different types of face mask. There's a blue one and a green one.
Oh, great, because I got you. Green one and I got a blue one.
Okay, perfect. You don't want the green one? This actually matches you.
Yeah, I'll take the green one actually.
Okay, because I actually like blue a lot. Okay, so we need to make one first. Okay, I'll make yours first. Okay, I'm gonna put the green one in there, plop, and smush it down.
Smush, smush, smush. It's not going to look colorful.
I think I'm gonna use this side to smush it. Okay, I think it's ready. Look at that.
Oh my god, it doesn't have color?
No.
That's why I wanted to do this.
Oh, well, we gotta put it on your face, brother. Let me see. Are you sure you want this?
Yeah, just don't put it on my eyes.
I might put a little bit on your eyes because I've never done this before. Okay,
I don't care.
Face.
My eyes don't stink. Ah,
oh my god, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to fix it. I'm trying to get it off and it's not coming out. Wait, you have no hair. Do I just put it all over your head?
Yeah. But you're probably going to need more because this head's shiny.
Yeah, we're gonna have this. You're about to have the smoothest head in the world. Okay.
Just dump the whole thing. My eyes don't even stink.
And just put it all over your head.
Okay.
There, you're gonna have the shiniest head in the world.
You need more on like the back. So turn me around.
Oh.
My eyes don't even stink.
There you go, brother.
Okay, sister.
Do you like it?
Yeah, even if it's a little messy.
Okay, time for mine.
Okay.
Smush, 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 smush.
Okay, sister, I'm going to do yours next.
Okay, just.
I can still see what mine if I get it on my eyes. But I just hope I don't get it on your eyes. Don't cry, please.
Do not get it on my eyes or my hair. I'll just do it myself because I'm too scared for you. Just spread it on. Oh, it doesn't hurt my eyes. It actually feels relaxing.
Yeah, that's why I did. Just think your eyes for like a little bit, right?
Yeah, sink your eyes for like a second, then it's like, ooh la la. Whoa, look at oh my god, look at how funny you look. Picture time. Cheese. I feel like I'm an angel.
Like I'm flying in the sky.
Yeah. Oh my god, we look so good.
Yeah.
Okay, it says we should, let me see the tablet. It says we should keep it on for 10 to 15 minutes. It's only been 5 minutes.
I'm going to go to sleep.
You can't go to sleep with it on.
What?
Oh, let me go put the other extra in here so we can have some more for later.
Okay.
Get it all in there.
Oh my god, I want to use this every day.
Yeah, this would literally feel so good on our skin. How does it feel?
It feels like great. And
mine is a little bit tingly right now.
Mine's like relaxing.
Mine is actually tingling a little bit. I kind of don't like it. No, it feels so gross. I think I'm gonna wipe it off. I don't like it. Ow! It's starting to sting my face.
Okay, go.
Oh my god. I got a towel. It didn't come off! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Sister, has it been the minutes?
Oh my god. It's not coming off.
Has it been the minutes?
Oh my god, no!
So I can't take mine off. Mine's not feeling tingly.
Oh my god, I'm freaking out, brother. We used different ones, remember?
Yeah. Why didn't they use the green one on day? blue one then? Was this like the blue one come off of them?
Yeah. Did I do something wrong? Oh my god. What are we gonna do? Okay, well, we guess we gotta wait a little bit more, maybe?
Yeah, and it just doesn't feel good for yours because yours is blue and mine was green.
Yeah, maybe it's just different. Okay, well, we got our timer and it says it's been 15 minutes, so I guess it's time to wipe off yours. Ready?
Yeah. I'm going to look beautiful.
Whoa, brother, you're shining. Well, I guess it's time to see if mine comes off now. What? Coming. Yes?
This face mask not coming off.
What?
When we're doing
You guys are putting face mask and didn't invite me. You know I'm like the #1 face mask person, guys. Sorry, but Mom, my face mask isn't coming off. What do you mean, sweetie? Like when I wipe it off, it doesn't come off. Look. Oh, well, that's never happened to me. And it hurts my face a little bit. It's tingling. Let me see the video you were watching. Okay, here you go. So the green one, you just wipe it off with the warm cloth. This is a warm cloth, Mom. Let me see again. It's not coming off. I don't want to be having a mask on forever and ever and ever. I'm sorry, sweetie. Did you use the green one? Did you use a different ingredient? No, yeah, I used the blue one. Oh, I thought you were using the green one. Okay, you're freaking me out there, sweetie. Okay, the blue one, you have to dunk your face in ice cold water for 15 seconds. Oh my god, thank you, Mom. You're a lifesaver. Give me an ice bucket. Yes, okay, thank you, brother. Okay, here's your ice and just dunk your face in it, okay? 15 seconds. And if you can't breathe, just come back out and then do it again. Okay. It's still a little bit on your face, sweetie. Do it again. Finally, I get it off. Oh my god, look at my shining skin. Oh my gosh.
Shiny.
You guys just didn't read the directions. Next time, invite me to a face mask, guys. Sorry, Mom, I just didn't know that you really like stuff like that. Yeah, I love stuff like that. Anyways, you guys actually want to go get actual face mask on?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
But it has to be like actual ingredients.
And these ones like have animals on them. Oh, really?
Like a
yeah.
panda, I love him.
Yeah. Let's go. Yay! Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. Bye.